guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be review and first impression on this Garnier sheet mask. So as we all know, sheet masks are like on trend now, and everywhere on internet people are like literally using sheet masks on their daily basis, and they have included this sheet mask as their skincare routine. So let's see how this works, and I have three variants, like all the three of them. And I have one more extra because I purchased three and I got it free. So I got my hands on this from Nykaa.com, so you can also check it out and you can always get discounts. So yes, let's see what it claims and what are the things they have mentioned in this sheet mask. So today I'm going to be trying this serum mask light complete one, and let me just read it out what all they have mentioned. It says super hydrating brightening tissue mask, intensely rehydrates, reduces dullness and fades dark spots. It contains lemon, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum, and it is for dull skin with dark spots. And it also says one mask is equal to 1 week of serum. So let's try and see. And it also says it's dermatologically tested and it's suitable for sensitive skin. And at the back they have mentioned a new generation of tissue mask that infuses skin with 1 week of serum in one mask. A true innovation. This tissue is enriched with brightening, lemon extracts, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. A powerful hydrating active capable of retaining 10 times its weight in water, and it's designed to fit Asian facial contours, suitable for dull skin with dark spots. Looking for an effective yet pampering solution to instantly refresh skin and reduce dullness. Recommended to use 3 times a week. So I have a doubt because it says one mask is equal to 1 week of serum, but it also recommends to use 3 times a week.
But why 3 times a week?
Okay, let's just quickly open this and see how to use it. It has this cut here so that it is easy to open. So I'm just going to open like this. It has full of serum. You can see it's like overflowing. Okay, this is how the mask looks like, and we have to open it. So slippery, you guys, because it has full of serum, so you need to be careful. I think I have to use this side, so let me just keep it like this. And then we have to remove this blue part like this. I'm just going to massage it like this so that it will stick into my skin and it does not move. As they say, I'll keep this mask for 15 minutes and get back to you guys. It's been 15 minutes now, so I'm going to massage it one more time and then I'll remove the mask. So while I'm massaging, you can see it has like infused with serum so that it is sufficient for your neck as well. So you can massage the serum on your neck like this, and then I'm going to remove it slowly. Once we remove the mask, it says we need to massage the remaining serum, so I'm going to do the same. So this is how my face look once I remove the mask and once I have massaged the serum all over my face and neck. So I can feel there is slight stickiness on my face, but it's not too sticky. And let me just read what they say after proven efficacy, like after 15 minutes. It says skin is instantly rehydrated, looks visibly brighter, complexion is smoother. After 1 week, skin has a radiant glow, skin tone more even, dark spots lighten. So obviously I can feel after 15 minutes it have made my skin hydrated, and I can feel the softness as well, and even it has slightly brightened my face. I agree with all the other claims what they have made, but except it will reduce dark spots, because in one use it can't reduce any dark spots, because you can see I still have my spots on my nose and it have reduced nothing. But it have definitely made my skin hydrated, and it have reduced my dullness, and if you have redness on your face, and I think even that will get reduced using this mask. So overall what I think about this mask is, after we remove the mask, we have so much of serum left inside this mask and it's really waste. So you can just apply this all over your body or hands and legs, but it has excess serum. Like, I feel it's kind of waste, because you can't use it back, right? Like, even though if you apply all over your body, the serum will be left. That is the one thing which I kind of didn't like. And yeah, it comes in 3 variants, and which I used was this serum mask light complete one. It says super hydrating brightening tissue mask, and the next one they have is this serum mask hydra bomb one, and it says super hydrating replumping tissue mask. Then the last one is serum mask sakura white, which says super hydrating pinkish glow tissue mask. So these are the 3 variants, and this retails for 99 rupees. So overall I really like this mask, and I would definitely recommend it to you guys. If you want your skin to be hydrated, you can use this mask. Other than that, it does not reduce your blemishes, does not reduce your dark spots, and whatever they have claimed about that, that is not true. And for all the dry skin people out there, it will definitely work for you. But oily skin people I don't recommend, because it has lot of serum, and I think it is just for combination to dry skin people. So that was the overall review on this Garnier sheet mask. I really hope this video was helpful, and yeah, with that being said, I'll finish this video. If you're new here, this is Pavitra Iyer. I make videos related to beauty, fashion, makeup, everything good stuff. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon beside that, so that you don't miss any further notification. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.